Hey, thank you so much for landing here. I know that if you are seeing me, there is a reason. I know that you wanted to achieve your financial freedom and financial abundance in your life by having a right investment, right mentor in your life, isn't it? Yes, I'm Dr. Maria. I'm a financial coach, certified financial planner. I'm a CWM chartered wealth manager. I'm having 15 years of experience in this field. Now, in my 15 years of experience, I helped more than 1,000 people to achieve their financial goals by crafting a personalized financial plan for them. Well to Like is my company, which I have created in 2020. After COVID, after seeing people are struggling, in spite of having money, in spite of having good education, they could not able to manage their money in a right way, and they could not able to plan their debt in a right way. So that is the reason they struggled a lot. This is not only during COVID, even during financial crisis and lot of other reasons people could not able to manage their life because they don't have enough money. I know that you are a high net worth individual and you are working hard to safeguard your money and protecting your wealth and growing your wealth. Now, some questions to you. Are you struggling with these following financial concerns? Are you not aware about who is your guide or mentor who can help you to reach your financial goals? Have you not done your diversification properly? Is it all of your assets are falling in only one or two asset classes? Is there any concern of losing your capital? Are you missing any of the wealth protection tools? Like you may not be having a right life coverage. You may not be having a sufficient life coverage through term insurance. You may be traveling around the world. You may be going here and there, and you may not be having a right health cover. Have you covered for your disability? Do you have a sufficient wealth protection tools so that you can able to protect your hard-earned money? Is your investment is giving you a return which is beating the inflation, or is it only giving you 6 to 7% return? If you take it rental yield, it may be 2 to 3%. Or maybe if you are keeping your money in FD, it is maybe 5 to 6%. But the inflation, education inflation is 10%, medical inflation is 14%, general inflation is 8 to 9%, which we normally see people say that 7%, but it is not. Is your money is growing in a way which is beating the inflation? With that, could you able to achieve your financial goals? Do you know the tax implications? Could you able to save enough money through the taxes, tax plannings? Do you have 3 to 4 passive sources of income? If something happens tomorrow, do you have enough cash flow through the different passive sources of income? Is your money is working for you? Do you know how to transfer your legacy to the next generation without any conflicts, and you also have to live a peaceful retirement life? Do you know what is a corpus you require to live a happy, peaceful retirement life for maybe next 30, 40 years? Have you planned for that? Or are you thinking like I can plan only 5 years before that? My dear friend, it is not possible to achieve that purpose which you have to live a happy, peaceful life if you plan only 5 years, 10 years back. You have to start now. Or if you are a retired person, you have to get that money in systematic way through SWP. Do you have a sufficient plan for that? If not, then I'm ready to help. Now what you have to do? You have to have a financial education. You should have a right mentor or guide or financial planner who will help you to craft the financial plan for you and help you to achieve that goal, or help you to live a happy, peaceful retirement life. If you are looking one for that, then I am here to help you. Now what you have to do, you have to just click the link given below and download the ebook. And once you download the ebook, you will get a message so that you can book a one-to-one clarity call with me. For 30 minutes, we will have a one-to-one clarity call. When we have a one-to-one clarity call, I'll send you an Excel sheet where you can fill some of the details. And I will have an idea and we will discuss each and everything about your financial goals and how you could be able to achieve that by having a financial plan. If that sounds good for you, then please don't wait. Click the link given below. I will see you there in the one-to-one clarity call. Have a ebook, go through that, and definitely you can see a lot of value in that ebook so that how you can have a golden nest for your peaceful retirement. See you there. Bye-bye. Take care.